Hi, folks. Victor Fernandez of Fernandez Fit and Fit Family Foundations here to show you how simple it can be to meal prep. Now, you've heard me say and seen me write time and time again that I'm not a very good cook. That's why my lovely wife, Shelly, does all the cooking in our house, except for when I meal prep. Now, for me to want to do this over and over again, each and every week, it has to be simple and it has to be fun. So I'm going to show you how I get the job done. Now, I skipped a few steps ahead. You might hear some sizzling going on in the background. I've got some chicken going on the George Foreman grill. I've already completed the fish for the week, as well as started steaming up my vegetables and my jasmine rice. I love my jasmine rice. But for me, the process begins on Saturday when I go to the grocery store and pick up what I'm going to make for the week. Now, I try not to get too much because I don't want, I want to limit the amount of food that goes to waste. Let's face it, chicken and fish are only going to keep for so long. Then what I do is everything goes in the freezer overnight. And then on Sunday mornings, I pull all the food out, especially the protein, stick them in bowls of hot water, let them defrost while I go downstairs to the gym and get a workout in. By the time I'm done with my workout and come back upstairs, everything's defrosted and the real fun begins. Let me show you how simple that is. Fish goes in the oven. Chicken, as you saw, goes on the George Foreman grill, and vegetables and rice in the microwave. Easy as that. Once that's all done, then it comes time to start measuring everything out. Because let's face it, folks, we think we can eyeball it and see exactly how much we're putting into our bodies, but we tend to overestimate. So by 10 to 20% in some cases. So here's what I've got. I've got my scale. I've got my plate with some fish on it that I measure out. I cut it up. Got the same thing for chicken as well. I cut it up, start divvying it up into my containers. Real simple. And it ends up like this. Voila. I got my protein and fat and healthy carbs all in, all measured out. I know exactly what I'm putting into my body. This happens to be my lunch for today. But it's really that simple. So I highly suggest you find a way that works best for you. It's efficient, it's fun, and then most of all, it's simple, because if we keep it simple, we're going to continue doing it. Isn't that right, folks? Well, you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.